A 2000 calorie diet is considered standard and meets the nutritional needs of most people. However, depending on your activity level, your body size and goals, you may need more. Your daily calorie needs are based on several factors like gender, age, your height, and your activity level. The taller you are, the more calories you need to maintain your weight. A reference woman is 5 feet 4 inches and has a weight of 126 pounds, whereas a reference man is 5 feet 10 inches and has a weight of 154 pounds. So depending on your body size and activity level, you could require a 3000 calorie diet per day in order to maintain your body weight. Conversely, if you perform moderate exercise a few days in a week with little activity in between, you probably don't need that many calories, as exercise burns fewer calories than most people assume. Another advantage of a 3000 calorie diet is that it can help you gain weight. While many people are aiming to lose weight, some are looking to gain weight. Weight gain occurs when you consistently consume more calories than you burn each day. And depending on your activity level and your body size, a 3000 calorie diet may be greater than your current calorie needs, causing you to gain weight. There can be several reasons for you to gain weight. First of all, if you are classified as an underweight according to your BMI, then it is recommended that you gain weight. Alternately, if you are an athlete and you want to gain weight, then ideally it is in the form of muscle mass in order to perform better at your sport. Similarly, if you are a bodybuilder or into powerlifting, then you may desire to gain weight for increased muscle mass and strength. Some other conditions may also increase your caloric needs, like if you are suffering from infection or recovering from a major surgery. Now understand that safe rate of weight gain is 0.5 to 2 pounds per week. However, in people with severe undernutrition, weight gain of about 4.4 pounds per week has been accomplished, and it is safe. Rapid weight gain may lead to uncomfortable side effects, and what's more is that rapid weight gain can increase your triglyceride levels and may increase your risk of heart disease. How fast you gain weight depends on how many calories you need to maintain your weight. If you maintain your weight on 2000 calories per day, then you will gain weight much quicker on a 3000 calorie diet than someone who maintains their weight on 2500 calories per day. Calories in your diet come from 3 macros: carbs, fats, and protein. Protein and carbs provide 4 calories per gram, and fats provide 9 calories per gram. If you are aiming at 3000 calories in one day, then your carbs should range from 338 to 488 grams. Your fat should go from 67 to 117 grams, and protein from 75 to 263 grams. When combined with resistance exercise, then protein intake on the higher end has been shown to have a reduced body fat gain due to excess calorie intake and increased muscle mass. Also remember to consume your proteins around your workouts as well as equally spaced throughout your day to enhance muscle recovery and growth. Consuming a 3000 calorie diet per day from whole, unprocessed, and minimally processed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins can be challenging. That's because these foods contain many nutrients but relatively fewer calories, requiring you to eat much larger volume of food. Conversely, it would be relatively easy to consume 3000 calories from highly processed, refined foods such as bacon, potato chips, candies, and cookies, as they are highly palatable and packed with calories. Because these junk foods lack important nutrients for health, it is vital to get most of your calories from nutritious whole foods like animal-based foods, plant-based foods, grains, dairy, fruits, and vegetables. And lastly, mass gainer supplements, which often provide 1000 calories per serving, are a convenient option, but it is best to maintain your calorie and nutrient needs through the diet first. Leave a like for this video and subscribe to this channel.